That NVC file is a Nero Vision Express project. Your video editing timeline, disk menus, and authoring settings all saved in one place. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or export this video project. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest NVC cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. NVC files are project files for Nero Vision Express, a video editing and DVD Blu-ray authoring application from Nero AG. They store timeline edits, clip references, transitions, menu designs, and disk layout configurations for producing video disks and media files. Nero Vision NVC files use a proprietary XML-based format, storing timeline track structures, media clip references, transition types, menu button layouts, and disk authoring settings. They reference source media files by path and store all editing decisions for project reproduction. Technically, the best program for NVC is usually Nero Vision Express from Nero AG. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows generally plays them with compatible media players as long as the format is supported. We are performing the initial software environment diagnostic. Right-click your NVC file and choose Open With. Test with Nero Vision Express first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software switch. If you still cannot open your NVC file, that is okay. Since this NVC format is so specific, the error is likely a simple resource issue. Let's verify these essential technical details before we proceed. First, opening the project. Install Nero Video or Nero Vision from Nero's website and open the NVC file via File, then Open Project. Ensure your Nero version is compatible with the NVC file's creation version. Nero will load the timeline and reconnect all referenced source media clips. Next, exporting video. After opening the NVC project, navigate to Export or Make Movie in Nero Vision. Select your desired output format, such as MP4, AVI, or DVD disc image. Configure resolution, bitrate, and audio settings, then click Export to render your completed video project to the output file. Finally, troubleshooting missing media. If source clips are offline after opening the project, use Nero's Relink feature to browse to the current location of missing video and audio files. Ensure all source media is accessible on your system before attempting to export or burn the final video project. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.